Mike, we're here at EMO 2021 in Milan on the Hardinge stand, but yet again another premiere for Europe. You're launching the Vumard 1000. Now, looking at this is a high-end grinding solution. I can see that you've got 4 spindles, but tell me a little bit about the configuration of the machine.
Okay, the machine's incredibly flexible. Precision is unparalleled. We've created Hydrolin slideways, which is hydrostatics with linear motors. So super rapid, super precise, no friction. We have 4 spindles and also a measuring system. So the probe you see there can probe parts to find where they are, but it also can measure. So on the bore here, we can measure at the taper, the OD, the outer taper, etc. So we can take measurements and control the part before it comes off the machine.
Is that to lessen the sort of downtime, taking the part out, measuring it effectively?
It is, and also you lose the precision, obviously concentricity and everything else, and trying to put things back on when it's partially ground. So it's just to save time and improve the precision and productivity.
And what's the benefit of having 4 spindles, Mike?
Well, I mean, for some jobs you may only need 2, but going back to the flexibility, having 4 of different sizes, speeds that can cope with wheels. So some people have external wheels on there, so a larger wheel to do the external work. And then you can have different other wheels for facing or for the bores. So one job may only require 2, but then the next job you put on for a quick changeover, the machine knows what wheels it's got, so then it can recall that job and use the wheels because it knows where all of the wheel sizes are. And then you can use different wheels without setting up and touching on and doing other things.
Well, the quality of a Swiss-made machine is always very high. How accurate is this machine?
Oh, it's incredibly accurate. I mean, again, roundness, less than half a micron, but the overall precision and repeatability with the slideways is just breathtaking.
Now, I see that slightly different configuration, got FANUC control. Is there anything new within the software that enables this to be the best machine in its class?
I mean, it's super flexible. This is the blue solution. Kellenberger put this on the Kellenberger machines as well, and they're harmonizing it throughout the range. Really easy to use, touchscreen, drag and drop, so you can edit programs using the conversational software and just changing the elements. If I wanted to do the taper first, or you just drag it, it rewrites the program for the operator. Again, you've got data on materials. So if you're changing from different materials as well, it stores the type of data that you've saved. You call that into the program, it puts all the speeds and feeds in for you. You can type in tolerances like H7 or whatever you need to do, and it'll always write to the midsection. It's really easy for the programming. So
very versatile, but probably a bit of maybe a tough question to answer, but could you automate this process?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, yeah, we've got automation options. Depends how and what the customers need, but yeah, absolutely, automation. One of the great things about it, we have this extra axis here, so we can actually spin it round, so the workpiece gets unloaded at the side. You can have the robot at the side. It's all very easy.
So it's actually built with automation in mind.
Absolutely.
So when you look at the industries in the UK and Ireland, where do you think this type of machine would actually fit in?
It's high-end work, aerospace, bearing manufacture, but also high-end job shops that do premium work. I mean, when you need ultimate precision and flexibility.
And like most engineers, they always want to be, proven with technology. So if this type of technology is interested to any of our viewers, how can they actually see this machine, how they can test components effectively?
Well, in St. Gallen, they have a state-of-the-art demonstration facility in St. Gallen at Kellenberger. So the machines are there, all the guys are there, have a good team of applications guys. You can meet the software guys, the service guys. I mean, we have our own people in the UK, obviously at DF Precision, but to go there, because it is a special machine, we let the guys in Switzerland do whatever you need to do, and if they can then set the jobs up, they have all the tooling and grind the parts.
To be fair, this machine, there's not much it can't do, can it, at a high level?
No, it's brilliant.
Has it been built with that in mind for that customer who needs the ultimate?
It's been built to offer the ultimate for those that need the ultimate and want the ultimate, but it's going to be simplified also, so people that have simpler jobs that may not need all of these features can still have a really productive, highly accurate, super easy to use machine.
So for those engineers that may be looking for a solution like this, Mike, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
Through the web, email, it's all on dfpmac.com.